puhul on just alanud Eesti meistrivõistluste finaalturniir, lahtised meistrivõistlused ehk siis Tallinn Open 2018, kus lisaks Eesti võistkondadele osalemas ka Venemaa, Leedu, Läti ja Valgevene võistkonnad.
You can handle your own faults, but I know that you know that it's different.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good when I'm alone, leave me in the studio, daily self-discovery, holiday recovery, they love them instead of me, but still, bad things, there's a lot of bad things, they wish and 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 they wish. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, y'all not feeling sorry. And you know me, without T there probably would be no me, dog. Holler back at me in 2023. Lining bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Here's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish and 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 they wish.
Ja Torvek paneb veel lauapõrkega ning 29 seis ehk siis järgmise rünnakuga võib Tallinn Open lõppeda ja Joonas Järvelainen lõpetab tänava korvpallihooaja 2018. aastal. Tallinn Open 2018 võitja ja ühtlasi Eesti meister tänavusel aastal on Paulsi koosseisus Joonas Järvelainen, Oliver Metsalu, Martin Torvek ja Jaan Puidet. Eesti meistrivõistluste teine koht Estravanile, Egert Haller, Kaspar Bibikov, Reigo Päkk ja Andreas Märtson. Suurepärane tulemus kindlasti.